Drowning in chaotic data? Overwhelmed by the sudden explosion of AI? Welcome to the ultimate visual guide to Microsoft Fabric. In this course, we'll show you how to turn your raw data into smart, automated decisions without needing a Ph.D. in coding. We are breaking down everything from plug-and-play AI tools and generative AI to real-time data agents and custom machine learning. By the end of our journey, you'll know exactly how to weave AI into your everyday business. Watch the full course to go from zero to hero and unlock your AI future today. Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It is the essential engine of modern business, turning raw, chaotic data into smart, actionable decisions. We aren't just collecting information anymore. We're asking our data to think, predict, and act. Enter Microsoft Fabric. It is a unified platform that weaves AI into every single step. Whether you are a highly technical data engineer or an everyday business user, Fabric replaces that confusing, tangled web of separate software with one highly accessible ecosystem. Microsoft has been building towards this for decades, evolving from simple data mining in the 90s all the way to today's generative AI and intelligent virtual assistants. Why does this matter? Because AI-powered data means better decision-making, rapid innovation, highly personalized customer experiences, lower costs, and the ultimate agility to adapt to your market instantly. To make all this AI magic happen, Microsoft Fabric relies on a few core tools. First, if you want to talk to modern data, you need to speak Python. It is the gold standard for data analysis because it is highly readable and looks a lot like plain English, allowing your team to write, run, and collaborate seamlessly. Next, there's the Microsoft AI Toolkit, which weaves AI directly into your Fabric environment, so you don't have to juggle separate apps. Inside this toolkit, you have three heavy lifters. First is Microsoft AI Foundry, a grand workshop offering pre-trained models and security guardrails to turn ideas into real-world applications fast. Second is Azure Machine Learning, a cloud service to design and deploy predictive models, featuring both complex coding for experts and easy drag-and-drop tools for beginners. Finally, there is Synapse ML. Think of this as a brilliant bridge that connects your AI services to massive computing power, letting you scale up your tasks effortlessly. You don't need to build a massive artificial brain to use AI. With Microsoft Fabric, you just plug and play. Imagine managing a hotel chain with thousands of reviews pouring in across dozens of languages. Fabric automates this entire headache in 4 simple steps. First, the setup. You drop all your raw customer reviews into a secure storage space called a lakehouse. Second, translation. Fabric's built-in AI automatically detects and translates every single review into English, keeping your private data completely secure without ever leaving the platform. Third, extracting meaning. Text Analytics scans these reviews to pull out key phrases like dirty room or great pool. It then runs a sentiment analysis, telling you instantly if your customers were happy, angry, or neutral. Finally, the report. All this enriched data flows directly into a visual Power BI dashboard. Managers can instantly spot specific issues, like bad room service in Houston, and fix those problems today rather than next month. Let's talk about the magic of generative AI. This is the technology that creates brand new text, code, or images from scratch. Microsoft partnered with OpenAI to bring this power right into Fabric. You've probably heard of large language models, or LLMs. They are massive AI brains, like a multi-volume encyclopedia. They are incredibly powerful, but need tons of computing energy. Need something faster? Meet small language models, or SLMs. They act like highly efficient, pocket-sized guidebooks for specific focused tasks. But here is the catch. Standard AI doesn't know your private corporate data. To fix this, we use RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation. Think of it as giving the AI an open book test. It rapidly searches your private database, then bases its answer only on your specific documents. It pulls this off using lightning-fast vector search, turning text into numbers to perfectly match the true context of your question. The future of AI isn't just a chatbot you talk to. It's an intelligent agent that actively works for you. Meet your new AI colleague, the data agent. In Microsoft Fabric, this virtual assistant understands natural language, reasons through problems, and executes complex tasks. Instead of writing complicated database queries yourself to figure out a sales drop, simply ask your agent a question in plain English. It translates your words into code, dips into your databases, analyzes the information, and hands you a perfectly formatted summary. You can even teach it your company's specific business rules. But the most impressive part is its real-time intelligence. Using a protocol called MCP, these agents connect directly to live data streams. Want to know what happened in the last 5 minutes? Your agent queries the live data and gives you an immediate answer based on the exact present moment. Sometimes out-of-the-box AI isn't enough, and you need a custom machine learning model. Microsoft Fabric gives you the perfect workbench to build it. First, your data must be clean. Instead of writing complex code yourself, you use Data Wrangler. Just type what you want in plain English, and the AI automatically writes the Python code to prep your data. Next, it's time to train your models. Not a math genius? No problem. Fabric features AutoML. Just hand it your data, and the system automatically tests dozens of models to find the most accurate one. It's literally AI building AI. Finally, we bridge the gap between business teams and data scientists using Semantic Link. This ensures your custom AI uses the exact same business definitions your CEO sees on their morning report. Welcome to the Microsoft Fabric AI journey. We started with core tools like Python to make data accessible. Then we plugged in ready-to-use AI for instant translations and insights. We unlocked generative AI, using RAG to ground answers in your private data. Next, we met data agents, smart assistants delivering real-time intelligence. Finally, we explored custom machine learning to easily build and train your own predictive models. All your AI tools unified in one powerful platform.